Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will share with you another high potential airdrop called Doma Protocol, a project by D3. Doma Protocol is a blockchain project based on domains, and as you can see, it's raised $30 million in funding, which is huge. If we look at their investors, you can see some popular names like Paradigm and Coinbase Ventures, along with lots of tier 2, 3 and 4 investors backing them. If you visit their X handle, you will notice they have 80k followers right now. They share lots of updates here and plan to build a strong community, which is another positive sign. For the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. In the pinned message, you'll find all the airdrops I'm personally farming. The link is in the description, so check it out. Now to join the airdrop, I'll provide the Telegram link in the description. Click the link and you'll land on this page. To sign up, click here. And then again click here to sign up. Enter your emails, submit, check your email for the code, copy it, paste it here, and your account is successfully created. Here you need to answer a few questions. For the first one, select this, and the second one is the same. Now choose any domain provider you work with. For example, I'll select Namecheap and GoDaddy. Click continue and you'll find your referral link. You can send invitation emails to 3 different emails or friends. For now, I'll skip this and you'll land on this page. Now in this page, scroll down and you'll see some options. So here you need to set your security options. Click setup now, then continue. You can set a passkey if you're a mobile user, but I'll choose the authenticator. Scan this code into the app, continue, enter the code, and you're done. Next, add a passkey by clicking and setting your key. It's done. Now you need to add your wallet. Use MetaMask. Click connect. Then confirm, and it's done. To get the day 1 badge, you need 3 referrals, so share with your friends. Next, complete a few Galaxy tasks. I'll provide the links in the description. Simply connect your account and you'll see some tasks. For this important task, visit the D3 website, create your account and you'll see this page. In the search option, choose any domain name you want. Add it to the cart, and as you can see, it charges $30. For the airdrop, you can invest some money if you want. For payments, you can use your card or cryptocurrency. So in the Discord task, you can claim roles. Right now I've been unable to visit, but I'll show you how to complete this. Verify the Discord, click the roles section, tick this option and you're done. I'll give you updates over time, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.